Bombini na mi canal. Awe no satra un sandwich ku galinha pidushi. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm making a delicious chicken sandwich. This one will be fun, guys, so watch till the end. So let's go straight to the kitchen. Bang kumi. Nosta by kushina. Quick dinner idea. You have some lettuce, tomato, bell pepper, chili pepper, and my barbecue chicken, and my nice baguette bread. In Curacao they call them pan francais. Yes, and I'm going to slice these, make our nice sandwich. Quick, easy, late night dinner idea. Just getting from work. Actually, I had to go to the supermarket, come home and make something quick to eat. So this is what I'll be making. And we're going to use a mixture of sauce. Here I have some salad dressing and my son's favorite, salsa rosada. And we're going to use that. So let's prep this one, okay? Let's complete this delicious sandwich. Okay, guys, now we're going to slice our bread. This bread are perfect for making sandwich. In Curacao they call them pan francais. That means French bread. Yes. Pan in Curacao is bread. And we just slice these open like this. Yeah. And we have enough space to make our sandwich. First, I'm going to add my lettuce. This is to make the bed, so we can add all the other goodies. And this one is for my son, so I'm just going to add some rosada. And on top, we add our tomato, bell pepper, they say pimentón. Yeah, it's good for him. We don't need him to waste the salad. Now we're going to add our, this is just a chicken leg and thigh. I season and just make add all my spices, some barbecue sauce when it's complete, and here one complete. Now let's work on the other. Crab slaw, rosalba tambe. We add our tomato, pimentón, unos pica. Yeah. Now nos ponemos galinha. Yeah. quick, easy sandwich. Super fácil. Very easy. See, I'm giving you guys double lingua today. I'm giving you guys Papiamentu English. Okay. Another sandwich. Have it, guys. My barbecue chicken sandwich. Fast and simple last minute meal, okay? Awo no sa klapa come. No sa bay come. Midi minota tra fries away. I said I'm not making fries today, so we'll have that and an extra side of salad and some juice, and this is good for a last minute meal. Hope you guys enjoy it. Sorry I didn't pick up the camera from beginning, because I said, guys, I'm tired, leave work, go supermarket, look out for that grocery haul. I'll be doing that. And there you have it, guys. Yummy chicken sandwich. Okay. E sandwich akita hopidushi e fácil para. This sandwich here is very delicious and easy to make. You want to see me do more bilingual, hit me in the comment section below. Please guys, like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Put your bell on, it's very important. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.